Hello smart movers, most welcome to another episode. Elon Musk says, competition is fine, cheating is not. Fight between two billionaires, the Twitter owner Elon Musk and Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, has been started long ago, but officially faced by launching the Threads. Threads is a social media platform created by Mark Zuckerberg. It was released in July 2023. Please watch my other videos on how to use the Threads. The question is here: can Threads compete with Snapchat and Twitter? It is possible that Threads compete with Snapchat and Twitter. However, it will face some challenges. The first challenge: Threads is a new platform and it will need to attract more users. Second, Threads will need features that are unique and appealing to users and differentiate itself from other platforms. Third, Threads needs to attract advertisers, marketers, political figures, celebrities, and other famous people. If Threads can overcome these three challenges, it is possible to become a successful social media platform. Here are some of the strengths and weaknesses of Threads. These are the strengths of Threads. First, built-in audience. Threads is integrated with Instagram, which means that it already has a built-in audience of Instagram users. Second, focus on personal content. Threads is designed for sharing personal content. Third, ephemeral content or temporary content. Threads use temporary content, which means that the post disappear after 24 hours. These are the weaknesses of Threads. First, limited features. Threads does not offer as many features as Snapchat or Twitter. This could make it less appealing to users who are looking for a more comprehensive social media platform. Second, competition. Snapchat and Twitter are well-established platforms. They have large users. This will make it difficult for Threads to attract new users. Third, ownership. Threads is owned by Meta or Mark Zuckerberg, which could make some users hesitant to use the app. Meta has been criticized for its data collection practices, and some users might be concerned about how their data will be used. Overall, Threads has the potential to compete with Snapchat and Twitter. Personally, I'm not optimistic for the Threads future. I would love to know more about your thoughts on Threads. Please comment your information. Smart movers, I invite you to watch my other videos and share your thoughts with me. I also request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.